For generations, we've been taught to view the Amazon rainforest as the lungs of the planet, a majestic green giant tirelessly pumping out life-giving oxygen. However, science reveals a surprising truth. The vast majority of the oxygen we breathe doesn't come from towering trees, but from a much less celebrated source, microscopic ocean life called Phytoplankton. The misconception about rainforest likely stems from their undeniable role in the ecosystem. Rainforests do participate in oxygen production through photosynthesis, the process by which plants capture sunlight and convert it into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. However, their contribution pales in comparison to the astonishing feat of phytoplankton, tiny marine plants, algae, and some bacteria that drift in the ocean currents. Here are the two reasons why the ocean reigns supreme in oxygen production: the sheer abundance of phytoplankton and their efficient oxygen production. First, sheer abundance. Phytoplankton are incredibly abundant, covering vast areas of the ocean surface. Estimates suggest they account for a staggering 50 to 80% of the world oxygen production. In contrast, rainforests, despite their impressive size, contribute a much smaller share, estimated at around 6 to 9%. Second, efficient oxygen production. While rainforests play a vital role, they are not the most efficient oxygen producers. Land plants, including rainforest trees, are limited by their size and access to nutrients. Phytoplankton, on the other hand, live in a nutrient-rich environment and have a simpler structure, allowing for faster and more efficient oxygen production. These tiny ocean dwellers are the true workhorse of oxygen production. Imagine a vast invisible army silently churning out the very breath that sustains life on Earth. Their contribution stretches back billions of years. The ocean-rich atmosphere we breathe today is a testament to the tireless work of these microscopic marine organisms. While rainforests may not be the champions of oxygen production, they are still crucial for the health of our planet. They act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas. They are also biodiversity hotspots, teeming with a vast array of plant and animal life. Their role in regulating rainfall patterns and maintaining healthy watersheds is also significant. The next time you take a deep breath, remember you are inhaling a life-sustaining gas primarily produced by the tireless efforts of phytoplankton in the vast oceans. While rainforests deserve our respect and protection, it's the microscopic ocean life that truly earns the title of lungs of the planet. Understanding these hidden truths allows us to appreciate the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems and the vital role played by life in all its forms, from the towering trees to the tiniest organisms in the ocean. Thanks for watching.